Hey, this is Ivory with MunchyGoddess.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make these delicious air fryer turkey Reuben wraps. For the ingredients, you'll need some flour tortillas, sauerkraut, Thousand Island dressing, roasted turkey slices, Swiss cheese, garlic powder, and melted butter. Start by placing a damp paper towel over the tortillas and warming them up in the microwave for 20 to 25 seconds. Next, go ahead and spread a layer of Thousand Island dressing on the tortilla. Add the cheese, sauerkraut, turkey, and then roll the wrap up like a burrito. Go ahead and preheat your air fryer to 380 degrees Fahrenheit and set the timer for 5 minutes. To the melted butter, go ahead and stir in the garlic powder and then brush each wrap with the garlic butter mixture. Next, add the wraps to the air fryer and cook for 5 minutes until golden brown. Once done, go ahead and brush the wraps with some additional garlic butter, let them cool, and then enjoy. Thanks for watching.